Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change touch duration on iPhone Air. First, open Settings, then scroll down to Accessibility Settings, open them, and then scroll down to Touch in Physical and Motor category and open it. And now select Haptic Touch, and here you can change your touch duration from fast to slow to default by selecting one of the available options right here, and you can test the touch by holding your finger down on this image and compare it between different options. And to apply changes, just leave this menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.